How to use the wizard. Start building your entry strategy using the words suggested below the text field. Use the keyboard's down button or tab button to navigate to the first suggestion along with the side arrows to explore the suggestions, and hit the Enter key to add a word to your sentence. You can focus on a specific word type by clicking the category. Alternatively, you can use the mouse to click the word you want to use. After you're familiar with the wizard, you may want to use the keyboard to type your strategy into the text field, much like you'd send a text to a personal assistant. You can challenge the wizard a bit by using your own words to build an order. It'll likely catch some of it. But if the text becomes red, make sure to delete and fix it according to the suggestions. You'll notice that autocomplete suggestions also appear in the text field. You can select that suggestion by hitting the right arrow or the Enter key. In some cases, the autocomplete suggestion just indicates that you can or should type a numerical value, like a limit rate, order amount, or asset price. To make changes to a bolded word within your strategy definition, simply click it to edit. Once you've entered a valid entry strategy, you'll see the Next button light up, indicating that you're free to move on to the next step.